This is Garnet, back together. And I'm never going down at the hands of the likes of you, because I'm so much better. And every part of me is saying go get her. The two of us ain't gonna follow your rules. Come at me without any of your fancy tools. Let's go, just me and you. Let's go, just 1 on 2. Go ahead and try and hit me if you're able. Can't you see that my relationship is stable? I can see you hate the way we intermingle, but I think you're just mad cause you're single. And you're not gonna stop what we made together. We are gonna stay like this forever. If you break us apart, we'll just come make you up, and we'll always be twice the gem that you are. I am a then you need to think again, because I am a feeling, and I will never end, and I won't let you hurt my planet, and I won't let you hurt my friends. Go ahead and try and hit me if you're able. Can't you see that my relationship is stable? I know you think I'm not something you're afraid of, cause you think that you've seen what I'm made of, but I am even more than the two of them. Everything they care about is what I am. I am their fury, I am their patience, I am a conversation, I am a and it's stronger than you. And it's stronger than you.
Yo, what is up, my glad?
Beware, beware, be skeptical. The smiles are plated gold. Deceit's so natural, but a wolf in sheep's clothing is more than a warning. Black sheep, have you any soul? No, sir, by the way, what the hell are mortals? Jack be nimble, Jack be quick. Chills a little. Turning tricks. So could you tell me how you're sleeping easy, how you're only thinking of yourself? Show me how you justify having all your life like second nature. Listen, mark my words, one day you will pay karma's gonna come collect your debt. Oh well, you stalk your prey with criminal mentality. You sink your teeth into the people you depend on, infecting everyone you fight the problem. We fly so from better on and high. I smell the blood of a petty little coward. Jack be lethal, Jack be slick. You'll believe you're only dying in a filthy ditch. So could you tell me how you're sleeping easy, how you're only thinking of yourself? Show me how you justify having all your lives like second nature. Listen, mark my words, one day you will said that?
What does that wispy little brat have that you don't have, Double?
She can't hold a candle to the beauty of your smile.
How about a pulse?
Overrated by a mile.
Overvalued.
Overblown. If he only knew the you that we know.
And that silly little creature isn't wearing his ring.
And she doesn't play piano or dance or sing.
No,
She doesn't compare.
But you still breathe there.
Who cares? Unimportant.
Overrated.
Overblown. If only he could see how special you can be. If he only knew the you that we know.
If I touch a burning candle, I can feel the pain. If you cut me with a knife, it's still the same. And I know her heart is beating, and I know that I am dead. Yet the pain here that I feel, try and tell me it's more real. And it seems that I still have a tear to shed.
The soul-redeeming feature from that little creature is that she's alive.
Overrated.
Overblown.
Everybody knows that's just a temporary state, which is cured very quickly when we meet our fate.
Who cares?
Unimportant.
Overrated.
Overblown.
If only he could see how special you can be. If he only knew the you that we know.
If I touch